Hello friends, welcome to my video channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, today we are going to talk about Dow Jones Industrial Average, or commonly known as Dow 30 or ticker name DJI. And because there are lots of volatility in the market, and it is, I think, one of the best suited times where we talk about the movement of this particular index, and when half of the majority, or maybe more than half of the majority of the people, are saying that probably the 11-year bull market is over, and this is going to be a corrective cycle or a bear market. So the thing is that that is one thing, that whether the economy is in recession, but when we are looking at a particular financial instrument, in this case we are talking about a DJI, or one of the industrial average index, comprising of most 30 prominent company of United States. So we are going to talk about the price damage and how we are seeing that, whether actually that is happening or not. Because economic recession is one thing, but when the economy goes into a trouble or on the downside, so there are lots of steps that has been taken by the government of that particular country, as well as the central bank of the country, to ease monetary and fiscal policies. So that is one thing we need to take care about. And apart from that, we need to see the price damage as well. So there are basically two types of corrections we have. One is the price correction, and second is the time correction. So probably you can see that this is the Dow Jones, more than, I can say, 100 years of chart. It is available since 1915 to 2020. So it's a damn big chart, and this kind of chart will show that what is the actual trend. Because if you have seen that since I'm taking around 1932, so it's more than 95 years, and the index itself has given 71,000% of return in this 1998 years. But we are going to talk about the trend and how it is looking right now. So if I just make a trend line over here, this is, you will find this is a trend line, and apart from that, you will see the trend line like this. So you will see the peak to juncture where the price took support in the past, and so you will find the 2008 recession somewhere down here, and these are two of the supportive lines. And because it won't went down on this channel afterwards, so for the timing we will take this line into consideration. And if you just make a channel out of it, if you just want to, yes, you will make something like this, you will make something, a channel like this. So you will find that probably things are not over yet, probably, I'm saying. So it will be decided in the times to come, that whether some juice is left into the market or not. But you can see that it's not yet over, and there is an uptrend which is going on right now, and there are down cycles or downtrends in between that, corrective cycles in between that uptrend, you will see here. So we will look at, so this is the monthly trend. Now we are going to talk about the intermediate or weekly trend as well, where the things will become clearer, and you will see that probably things are not over yet, and there is an upside which is going on, but we will take things into consideration. So different things into the consideration. So this is the monthly chart, and now we are going to look at the weekly chart. So if you look at the weekly chart, then you will get to know. Just so this is the weekly chart. You will see. So this is the trend which I'm talking about, which is currently going on into the market. So this is the trend, and if you just make a trend line out of it, this you will find, yeah, now you will find the trend line. This is one such thing. If you just make a line out of it, you can say, so this is one, and you will probably take this also as, so these are the two probable support lines which has formed in the past, and this is the upline. So you will see that there are corrections which are currently going on into the market, but right now it does not say anything about I mean that the things broke down on the downside. Things are broken down, and there is a chance of recession in terms of share price correction. Obviously liquidity has been pumped in, so there is a sharp downside from 30 odd thousand to around 24,000 odd level, and there is a sharp respite after that. So this is the down cycle, but this is correction in this downtrend, and it may go down to like 24,500 or to 23,000. But for the time being, unless this channel breaks, we cannot say that there's a big down cycle which is yet to start, because previously it has happened. There are sharp corrections, and unless it has broken down, so we will play with this channel. So this is the channel on the upside around 36, or it will because it's a weekly chart, it will take probably a couple of months to a certain year of time frame to reach to the target. And on the downside, you will see that probably 23,600 or 700 odd level is a good support to work with, because it's a weekly chart and things will take time or will definitely require very bad results to broke on the downside. So till now it has managed. There are corrections, but it has managed, because this is a sharp downside, but it has managed to hold on. So we will see, but for the time being, so this is our support and resistance. We will trade accordingly on the basis of the support and resistance, and once things break down, then we will take our decision accordingly. So as a disclaimer, this video is just for educational purpose, and if you indeed put your hard-earned money, please do your own research before putting any actual money. So this is a standard disclaimer, and I hope you enjoyed this video. You will get something educational, informative from out of this video, and if you indeed liked it, so please like, share and subscribe my channel, and do let me know your thoughts in the comment section. And lastly, take care of your family and friends.